footage out for y'all. Hopefully this will be enough for y'all. It's dialed in a little bit better. Yep, so drove it the other day, drove good, drove fine. It's backfiring a little bit. We can try this again real quick. I did something in the tune. Let's just see how well that works. Running like super rich, it's backfiring like crazy right now. It wasn't doing this the first time. Steering. I gotta press these brakes hard as shit. Let's try this one more time. Alright guys, so y'all see that this thing runs and it runs strong. It's a real strong runner. I didn't run it with the intake on, so that's why it was like so loud. But this thing runs good, it shifts good. And keep in mind, this transmission has unknown miles from a Chevy 3500 Express van that I pulled from a junkyard. All it has is a brand new torque converter. But I wish I could drive it more and get more footage, but at the moment, this is what I'm working with. So I recently just had surgery on my labrum. I've had a torn labrum for a while now. Even with all these videos I've been making, yeah, it's been messed up this whole time. So yeah, right now, like my arm, like it looks normal, but I can't move it at all. Like the strength in this arm is very weak. Only thing I can really move is just my fingers at the moment, but I literally have to pick up my arm with my other arm to do anything. Full recovery time is 6 months. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make this work. I still really want to grow this YouTube. I still want to do YouTube. It's just gonna be a little bit tougher at the moment with, you know, this going on. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm working with right now, and it sucks even worse because this is my dominant arm, so I can't even do stuff that I would normally do. Like, bruh, like it's tough. Still gonna try to make content for you guys. Worst case, it'll probably be like some car show content, because like I said, I won't be able to actually twist any wrenches. So yeah, just take it easy on me. I'm trying to do what I can with what I have right now. This thing runs really good. The only thing it needs is really a decent tune, and it'll be all right. In all these videos, I never gave it over half throttle. I'm actually kind of terrified of giving it more than half throttle at the moment. So yeah, that's really all it was getting, was quarter to half. All right. This will be pretty much the end of this video. Like I said, a couple days has passed. I finally got a tiny bit of use out of my arm. Like I can use my hand right now. Now granted, I can't move my arm like that, but this is enough to help me actually try to edit a video. So I'm actually about to start trying to edit a video now for you guys. Pretty much all this thing really needs now to really be driving flawless, I have to get a mat sensor and I have to get a tune. When I get those two, this thing should run way better. And even though it's running good now and it drives hard, and like I haven't even put it past half throttle, should be driving even better. So yeah, it's coming along really nice. Arm is slowly recovering, still trying to just rest up for the most part. And like I said, I'm trying to make some videos for you guys, even though I have nothing I can really do right now. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this post. Also, I have a post, I'll link it below, on pretty much how I did the whole LS swap. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.